You don't like Bitcoin? You wouldn't invest in Bitcoin? Do you invest in the stock market at this moment?
So not at this moment. I think it's high. So I have not invested in the stock market at this moment. I have in the past, but I have not at this moment. I think it's high.
Okay.
Bitcoin, I just seems like a scam. I was surprised. With us, it was at 6,000 and much lower. I don't like it because it's another currency competing against the dollar. Essentially, it's a currency competing against the dollar. I want the dollar to be the currency of the world. That's what I've always said.
So guys, obviously Trump is not really pro-crypto in this interview, but that was years ago. Is that still the case? That's what we figure out today. And that's actually pretty easy because nowadays we have new statements of Donald Trump. And yeah, obviously I have one of them prepared, and it actually says on CoinDesk, Donald Trump holds up to 500k in crypto. And down here, former US President Donald Trump holds up to 500k in Ethereum wallet. So he does not own Bitcoin, but he obviously owns Ethereum. A recently released filing with the US Office of Government Ethics revealed. So obviously this filing showed that he owns crypto, apparently Ethereum, and of course I had a look at the whole paper. Yeah, it's really a lot of pages, and yeah, the government basically looked at all the assets of Trump, where he has money and how much he earns, and there is a lot. They say he owns 500k in Ethereum, but he owns a lot more. If you scroll down, then you have 28 pages, and Donald Trump really has money everywhere, because here you see that there are some little sums like up to 1,000 bucks, but when you go down, then the big sums come up. Like that's even not that high. Now we have 100k in dollars, 250k, thousand, all that up to sometimes up to half a million, or even more. All of that sums up. And then on page 81, hidden behind everything, he has the cryptocurrency wallet Ethereum. And they estimate that the value of that is 250k to a half a million. So can we really say Trump is pro crypto? I don't think so, but we can definitely say that he does not neglect it. He has a diversified portfolio, that's clear, but yeah, I wouldn't say he's pro crypto because most of his money is still somewhere else, and even half a million is a lot of money to a lot of people, but in his case it's almost neglectable. It's not a big sum of money for Donald Trump himself because his net worth is way too high. So I think, in my personal humble opinion, he's not totally against it. He's open to the idea, but of course, as a former president of America and maybe one in the future again, we will see. He obviously has to be for the dollar, that the currency is strong, that the dollar is a world currency, and that most deals are done with the US dollar. That's his focus, and he's not really interested in another currency that he or the US can't control. But nevertheless, Trump is definitely not completely against crypto.